Little bird.
Tell me about this new school of yours.
Right now, I'm just trying to fit in.
But now, I think, for your sake, I must. Excuse me.
Oh God, what is he doing?
I saw this on your desk.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We had in common one crucial thing.
This is me. These are really good. For a Jew.
We had both seen how much hate people are capable of, how much courage it took to be kind.
You need to come with me right now. I know a way out.
I was never very nice to you.
It's okay. How would you like to visit New York tonight? Open your eyes.
The world of imagination is boundless.
You're the bravest person I've ever met.
In the future that I see for myself.
Yes.
Like love, it stays with you forever.